Hello, my subscribers. So, something horrible happened. Luna got lost, and apparently, I don't know if you can see, there's a doorway. We're gonna have her being dropped off by a neighbor that got her. Thankfully, she was wearing her tags. I don't know exactly how the incident happened. Um, Apparently, she was in the backyard, and then she got through the garage, and I guess my sister was fixing something in the car, and then we just forgot about Luna. She was, I guess, in the front of the house, and we locked her out, and then they took off. And of course, I'm still working from home, so I didn't even notice. And she had put the other two doggies away, which is Haley, and she's just napping right now, and so is baby Zena. She's just sleeping. But their sister, Luna, is going to be brought home by a neighbor, a good-hearted neighbor that called and said she had her. She was tracked. As let's just appreciate the front yard right now. Look at how pretty this is. So I'm going to stand out here until we get her. Somebody's going to drop her off. Look at these beautiful flowers. And I want to record the moment because this is too cute. And I believe that's her. Could be. I don't know. Maybe that's just food. So, oh, I thought that was Luna, but that's actually a delivery for a neighbor. So, estaba diciendo que se acaba de perder Luna. Estaba en la yarda de atrás, pero se abrió la puerta del garage y estaban acomodando cosas en el carro. Entonces la perrita se salió por el garage y no se dieron cuenta y la trancamos y se quedó afuera y pues empezó a rondar por ahí, a vagar en este mundo cruel. Pero afortunadamente, por su suerte, una señora vecina la encontró y ahorita la va a traer de vuelta. Entonces ahorita estoy esperando a que la vengan a traer. Y qué experiencia, la pobrecita Luna. Okay. Oh my God, yes.
We came back from Home Depot and my boyfriend saw her and I chased her all the way down over here. Thank God there was a guy walking with his son because there's that opening right there and I was like, oh my God,
She was, where did you find her?
over here, further up there.
No
And
way.
she came up to me, but I didn't want to startle her and like grab her. So, but then she came and I chased her down. I was like, man, I hope we can.
Like, hopefully, I mean, my sister was like, oh, thank God she was wearing her tags. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
of course. No
I'm
problem.
recording her arrival again to show the kids because they left to the store. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I don't know
of
how to
course.
thank you
Yeah,
enough.
no
Thank you
problem.
so much.
We live like right around the corner, so we gave her some water. And my dog, I have a husky, so he was all like, she was super nice. She was super sweet.
Yeah.
She didn't bark at him or anything. So.
Yeah, she has an older sister and a younger sister.
Yeah.
Bad girl. It's not her fault. We locked her out.
Yeah, your sister said that she didn't know she was in the garage with her. And I was like, it happens. I was like, no worries. I just wanted to get her safe
Yeah.
to the house. So.
Did she scare you with her lion mane?
She didn't. No, it was funny because she didn't bark at me, but like, I wanted to catch her, and like we started running faster, and
Yeah.
she, like whenever I got too close, she would make that whimper. I was like, oh, don't be scared.
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
just trying to help you. Like, so.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Come in, Luna. Go inside. Inside. There she is. Why am I crying? Come on, Luna. Hi. Who is here? Out. Out. Oh, Haley is giving her a piece of her mind. Where did you go? Ya la está regañando Haley. Como diría, ¿a dónde te fuiste? Pobrecita. Hi, Luna, we missed you. We missed you. We missed you, Luna. Outside? Let's go outside again. Okay, afuera. Ya llegó. Le está dando su bienvenida. La Zina es una mala. Zina, be nice. How are you, Luna? Llegó toda de mal humor. Oh, gosh. Gracias a Dios por su regreso. Ay, ay, ay. Ya está traviesa. Pobrecita. Were you okay? Were you okay? Bye bye. Luna, outside. Luna. Outside, Luna. Good girl. Es de pocas pulgas. Mira, ahora sí la puso en su lugar a la bebé. All right. Qué aventura de Luna. Dios mío. Bye, bye. Mira qué bonito atardecer aquí en Las Vegas. Wow. Aquí está el naranjo. ¿Es naranjo o limón? Bye, bye.